All right, we're back and we're live. Welcome to the channel, everybody. We got some awesome altcoin picks for you. I know I covered them in my last video, but I want to get to them a little sooner in this one. First, we're actually going to be starting out with a little bit of Bitcoin technical analysis because the altcoins are dependent on what Bitcoin's going to be doing. Obviously, Bitcoin's the big market maker, and on my last live stream, we actually were right in this range, right around here, right before the breakout, sitting here at 41,600. And I'm mentioning, hey, we're looking like we're going to be going to the upside. We have momentum from the 50, the 800, and the 200 EMA. And we were consolidating all weekend long. I was expecting a little retracement from Bitcoin after the weekend. But as a matter of fact, let's zoom in on where we were right before we broke out. We didn't even come back down and test anything down here. We just literally blew right up to the upside with a crazy green candle right here and just skyrocketed. We had another one leg up, retrace, two legs up, retrace, three legs up. We always look for the number 3 in our trading patterns, and there you had it. We had, even right here, we had spike 1, spike 2, spike 3 hits to the high, letting us know a big move's about to be coming. Now, that's why I thought we were going to drip down a little bit, because usually when we hit 3 hits to the high, we start falling down a bit because they're grabbing liquidity. They're grabbing orders from up here. They're trying to get their longs or their shorts filled at the highest possible price before they bring it down. Now, we didn't see the breakdown. We saw 3 hits, 3 legs up, and then we had a big stopping volume candle right here, which led to us breaking down. Now, if I pull out a couple other indicators for you guys, we can actually see where we're at right now. Now, I love looking at this indicator because we're able to see where we're really getting our bounces from. Now, we had this red and yellow line here are the 5 and the 13 EMAs. And anytime we get below that, it's going to act as resistance, and we're going to need some sort of specific high volume candle to break up to the upside. And when you see these solid red candles or the solid green candles, that means you're getting a lot of volume signatures on those, higher than normal. So we can see this green right here. This green volume bar was higher than the rest of them. So is this red candle, and these were 2 solid green candles. So when you see those, you know big movements are coming, and the market makers are there, literally making sure these moves are breaking out here. So I was happy to see that we broke above the daily open. You always want to keep an eye out for where this daily open yellow line is right there, because that really comes into play a lot, where if we're above it, I mean, that's definitely good, but if we get below it, it's going to act as resistance here. And it actually freaked me out a little bit this morning, because I knew we had such a huge crazy movement to the upside after this breakout. We didn't take any pit stops at all, and we basically needed some time to cool off. So I was expecting potentially we fall back down a little bit lower, maybe to this support line around 41,800. But as a matter of fact, we bounced right below this 50 EMA. And then the second we wicked below there, we actually hit the M2 pivot point and had a significant bounce up. And now I expect we're going to come down, test the daily open again, and potentially bounce up if we're really this bullish in this breakout here. There's really taken no prisoners at this point. I have a couple of crazy news stories for you guys as well, but I want to zoom out and show you one quick other chart here with Bitcoin. If I can just get one of these indicators off. I want to see, we'll switch it to the 4-hour candles. And I want to actually see where we're likely to retrace to if we do get another leg down down here. So I'm going to take my Fibonacci retracement tool. We're going to start from the high here. So I'll go the high, and then I'll bring this down to the bottom right here. So we have the bottom of this move before we broke up to the top, and now we can see where our retracements are likely to be. Now the golden pocket, the 0.618, would be at 37,700, and this is the most likely zone to get the biggest bounce possible. But honestly, I don't really think we're going to come back down there. I would think potentially we come down to the 382. We usually get a lot of good bounces from there as well. But you know, we pretty much almost, if you just take that wick out a little bit, we almost came down to the dollar accuracy of the 0.236 at 42,500 and got a really nice bounce up from there. So potentially, if we break above this 45,500 zone again, then we're going to be looking for more hits to the upside. And while we're here, I can also take it and do the reverse and see where our potential upside targets are. So we'll zoom down here. Yeah, we got to get over this $46,000 level. And then we're pretty much looking to the low 50,000s from there. That would be one of the next take profit levels too. So that's what I'm looking at right now. And let's make sure, is this live? If you guys are there, let me know that this thing is live and working, because stuff looks a little frozen there on YouTube. So let me know if it's live and good, everybody. Because it looks a little frozen here. Hopefully it's good. Before I jump into this next news story here about officials literally seizing $3.6 billion in Bitcoin from a 2016 Bitfinex, a cryptocurrency exchange. So yeah, let's make sure. Are we frozen here? Are you guys up in here? Let me know. Drop a comment. Let me know the stream is working. Okay, that's all I need to know. Thank you. It says excellent condition, but it looks very, very destroyed. Okay, no, never mind. I think we're good. All right, cool. So this could have been a reason why Bitcoin dropped a little bit. This news story just broke out, and we were up at 45,000, but that was a huge line of resistance for us. But right as that happened, this news story came out as well. And if anyone's thinking about, oh, what was Bitcoin hacked or stolen, that could have an impact on the price. But today, federals seized some $3.6 billion worth of Bitcoin tied to a 2016 crypto hack on the exchange. Agents arrested 2 individuals in New York on Tuesday on charges they conspired to launder money from the Bitfinex hack in 2016. The married couple will appear in court soon, but some 120,000 Bitcoin was stolen, then worth around 60 million back in 2016, but now it's worth 3.6 billion, which is insane. So I think they caught on to them because they tried to do a massive transfer of, let's see, they spotted a transfer of over 90. Okay, thank you, Austin. The stream is working fine. Awesome. So last week, on-chain data showed that these people made a 94, like they tried to transfer 94,000 Bitcoin. Okay, that's quite a lot. And to be honest, that's the thing. Everyone's like, oh, Bitcoin's used to launder money and hacks, and it's all criminal activity with that. But if you look at the US dollar, that's the thing that is more widely used than anything for money laundering, not Bitcoin. And the fact that there's on-chain data for every crypto Bitcoin in particular transaction, it's all traceable. So anyone that tells you, oh, Bitcoin is untraceable and stuff, like that's not true. There are coins out there, privacy coins, that are untraceable. And now they're coming out with ZK Rollup, zero knowledge proof technology where these coins can be a little bit more privatized and decentralized. So that's kind of cool to know. But the point we're all here for is we're going to take a look at some crypto coins that I absolutely love. And I think by the time I was actually making this video the other day, we were at 106,000. So even with Bitcoin's pullback here, this was at 120,000 when Bitcoin was mooning out last night, and now it's down to 112. But it was at 106,000 before we even broke out. So the top coins I'm going to recommend are only found on Kucoin. So I would recommend you guys come into my channel and come over to videos and definitely subscribe because we are creating a lot of new videos, and we just passed 10,000 subscribers. Have this cool video from Vegas, sharing that with you. But the video you guys want to check out is this best exchange for crypto, this Kucoin video right here. That's going to show you how to get into Kucoin properly and set it up totally fine, because there's all these new updates, and I have a video about how to like get into Binance, a crypto exchange that you're not allowed to get into if you're from the USA, but I was able to do that. So there's all these little tricks that I want to help show you guys so you can get the most out of cryptocurrency in general. Now, I've made a number of videos on these, but this is for everyone that hasn't seen them yet. 3x altcoins right here. 3x altcoins right here. 50K in 1 week. Showing the Phantom coin right here. 3x altcoins. That's what I'm breaking down for you guys right here. These have such a huge potential for upside because they are literally 3x versions of the other coins that let's see, we'll switch it up, and they do move a lot more, but they're 3x versions of the original coin. Like this is Cardano, but it's 3x long. This is Sandbox, 3x long. You can buy 3x short coins if you want, in case the market's totally tanking, but these move so much that once you get an upside move with Bitcoin and Bitcoin starts to consolidate, that's when you start to see alt season take off. That's when the altcoins start to fly. And that's why I'm recommending people, not financial advice, but I recommend people look into these because like DOT right now is at 35 cents. We can look at Phantom, for instance. This is at 41 cents. And on the 16th of January, less than a month ago, it was at $2.50. So if Bitcoin's going to get the breakout like we're anticipating, because we've been in a bearish, crazy downtrend for so long, like we come over to the daily here, this is the first sign of life that we've had, and we have broken out of this straight up downtrend, like right there. We broke that line, and now we've even broke a lot of horizontal resistance that we had set up pretty much right here. And now we're sitting pretty right now. We're above that line. So if we can get, you know, maybe another retest, like I'm saying, a bounce up, another retest, we're going to be making our way on up, something like that, and it's going to kind of fulfill a giant W pattern for Bitcoin, which would lead to a huge move to the upside. So that's what I'm looking at right now, and when that happens, these altcoins are going to go insane. Like the all-time high for this was $31 in October. It's at 42 cents right now. Do you use it unverified in the US? Yeah, my account is unverified. I don't do the KYC verification. The point of me being in crypto is so I can like keep as decentralized as possible. And that's why, for the most part, I'm always using my VPN, which I have linked right below. You're able to connect, and this is what I do every time I'm logged in here. You can connect to like Madrid, Spain, and then your computer's IP address is masked essentially, and that Kucoin tutorial video that I recommend you guys watch, which is right here, shows you how to get the VPN. It's literally like $2 a month, and it's amazing. Like, that's what you're able to do to protect and secure your computer. On top of that, I even recommend Proton Mail. Whoops. Proton Mail, and this is an encrypted email server. So I keep all my crypto stuff here, secured communication right here. And whenever I'm setting up new crypto accounts, I keep all my emails and everything organized here, along with setting up my VPN. So I'm just off grid as much as I can. That's the point. I'm tired of people busting down my doors, trying to come on in and steal all my crap, man. I don't do that. I don't do that. But yeah, sorry about that. Sorry about that. Very cool. That was my problem. I attempted the first 5. Okay, so yeah, don't verify your account. That's why you have to set up the VPN. And if you use my link below, Mr. Late Draco, I like that. Oh, dude, basically got a Draco in my hand right here, man. Hell yeah. Yeah, no, my buddy builds custom guns, and I love them. I love just shooting targets and stuff, but it's a blast. Sub to you after watching the Kucoin vids. Sweet, man. Yeah, there's an option on Kucoin when you get in there to create your account first to set up with phone number or set up with email. You need to set it up with an email, not your phone number. Otherwise, they'll see like your area code is from the US and they won't let you get in there. So also turn your VPN on before you ever create your account. After you create your account, you can get in here. You can get away with not turning your VPN on, but it is highly recommended that you keep your VPN on at all times when you use Kucoin, because in the future, they may do something. They may do something like what they did here. You know, I got so many people, 46,000 views on my VPN video, how to get into crypto on Binance, and Binance blocks users that are from the US. They block them. So you needed a VPN to get on there. Now you still, like, I have my Binance accounts that I can get into because I set up with a VPN, but even if you set it up with a VPN now, Binance won't allow you to get in. They still require you to do verification. So if you don't have a Kucoin account yet, make one now before they take away the ability for you to do it, unless you get officially like verified and all that. So get on that, guys. Big tip there. VPN, watch the video. That's what you gotta do. Now, one of my other top altcoins, my friends, is gonna be Luna. So the most money I have is in Luna, Phantom, and Near Protocol. So I love Luna because I'm looking for coins. You love your Sam 7K. That's what's up, man. That's what's up. Hell yeah. Late Draco. Basically, I'm looking for coins that I can go back in the shortest amount of time, and that they had the massive amounts of gains in the and basically they tanked, but the sooner they can get back to where they were, the more gains we can make, kind of thing. So like if you look at the bottom of this chart here, it says 116. So that was January 16th, 3 weeks ago. This was $10 a coin. Right now it's $1. So once Bitcoin pumps, these alts are going to pump. Luna's one of the top 10 coins anyway, and this guy will literally skyrocket, and that's a 10x right there. So, and the best part about these 3x long coins is you can't get liquidated. I mentioned that so many times to you guys because all these other leverage trading things, you can get liquidated. That means if the price hits a certain level that's too low or too far away from your entry price, you'll lose all the money in the trade. There's no liquidation with these Kucoin 3x altcoins. Kucoin 3x long. We'll click on this. and I'll literally show you guys a little bit of info about these. And that's why I'm not worried about it. I can sleep okay at night, even though they fluctuate and they'll drop potentially a lot. If you, view more, let's see. They may drop a lot if Bitcoin tanks, but you just hang on to them and they'll never get liquidated. And as long as you hold them and Bitcoin rises, these coins will rise a lot in time. Another one I love is Gala. This is a crypto gaming coin, and this was at 2 cents 4 days ago, and now it's at 11 cents. So that's almost a 6x from 4 days ago, but it's not even close to where it was December on Christmas. It was at $2. That's a 20x from where it's at right now. So this is what you want to be starting to look and get into here. Let me actually show you the assets on the trading account, and I'll just show you the ones that I think are the best to take some of that guesswork out for you. But yeah, I was going to show you how to get started with the coins. What are they? What are Kucoin leverage tokens? Look, Kucoin leverage tokens are perpetual ones that have no due date and the price will not be negative. Thus, there is no risk of liquidation. That's all you need to know right there. It's amazing. And there's a whole little video on it too. But yeah, so let's pop back in here. We got a nice amount of tether in case these things fall further. I can put more money in. But when I was buying Phantom, it wasn't too long ago. It hasn't even raised up yet. Like, I put in like 9K and it's already at 12,500 and it's barely even moved yet. Altcoins have not really moved yet. The big thing everyone's waiting for is for Bitcoin to move up first. And after that, then you get your altcoin season. And we're already making great strides for Bitcoin moving up here right now. So that's really, really exciting to see. Get out of there. But yeah, the top ones I'm in, Phantom. And the way I organized it was I put the most money into the coins that have the highest upside potential. Like if we get to where Phantom was 3 weeks ago, it's a 6 or 7x from where it's at right now. That means my 12K will be like 70 or 80K. Same with Luna. I told you if we go to where we were 2 weeks ago, it's a 10x. So 8K will turn into like 80K. Near Protocol again was at like $20 a month ago. So right now it's at $2. So I'm just like, that's another 10x. Matic is doing really well. And then these guys, so these are like more my like 10x kind of coins here right now. And then these guys are more like a 5 or a 6x from where they were a few weeks ago. And you can see what I have right here. Yeah. So that's kind of where we're at, everybody. I'm actually going to be on a TV show. Shout out. Going to be on a TV show. And I got to fly to LA and do an event there for the reunion. So I picked up a cool suit. Now I need a little pocket square, so I'm searching on Amazon. But yeah, don't go hacking Bitcoin accounts. They'll be able to catch you. So official sees 3.6 billion in Bitcoin from a 2016 Bitfinex hack. So that was the big news story today, everybody. Let's see if we can smash these likes up real quick. And I'm going to wrap this stream up and go skate. I'm going to go skate. So hope you guys have a great day. Definitely sub to the channel. I'm not even going to like slow down until I have 10x here. So I need at least 100K YouTube subscribers. I wish I was a hot girl that could do makeup tutorials and have like 4 videos and already have 100,000 subscribers. But instead, I've made over 500 videos. Literally, the basics of my channel was all about Amazon FBA. So that's another thing. If you guys are interested, I've created the Amazon Seller Pro course that takes you step by step through everything to make some extra side income. And I actually just got off a Zoom call with one of my students. But this is the course. Like, this is what has allowed me to straight up like pull up and be financially free enough to like move and travel and live wherever I want. I had my friend make $17K in his first month selling on Amazon, and I've even put my dad onto this. And like, let's see, he's like, hey, I made some sales today, let's check it out. And you notice the hours on these here, like 8 hours ago, all these sales were in one day for him. And then he's just sitting there making bank. So like, I've taken a lot of Amazon courses and I've learned almost everything there is to know about it. But I made the most, like, pretty much the best straightforward course that I've ever seen. And my teaching style is very simple and easy to understand. That's why like all my videos are 6 minutes, 5 minutes. I just break down every little step for you instead of like having a 1 hour long video. Just do some ASMR crypto trading videos. Crypto. Yeah. Or just, you can just do the ASMR with the, yeah, good sounds. But yeah, definitely recommend people if they're looking to like make some income so that they can actually put money into crypto. Because you saw what accounts I'm playing with. I have tens of thousands in there, and I literally never had a full-time corporate job. I graduated from school and ended up learning how to make money online. So that's what I'm doing there. But yeah, the course has everything you need. Then we got the homie Brian Pate, and actually he sold out of his units after that first month. And the second he got in new units, he literally pulled 14 grand in one day in sales. And he ended up buying a freaking yacht with his friend or something. And yeah, you'll see us out there. If you subscribe, you'll see us with some vlogs out on the yacht again this summer. But that's what I'm talking about, guys. Setting it all up for you. So I'm going to go skate, order a pocket square. But that said, you know, those are my top altcoins. Solana at 22 cents right now. It was at 80 cents on 3 weeks ago. So there's your quick Forex. And if you want to go back to November, this was at $11 and it's at 22 cents right now. So if Bitcoin hits its all-time high, that's when Bitcoin was hitting its all-time high. This Solana, and I like these again because they are based on the best top 10 coins anyway, like Solana, Cosmos, Mana. You can even do Ethereum 3x long if you want. And I actually sold quite a bit of my Ethereum and put it into the Ethereum 3x long so that if Ethereum moves up, I'm going to be getting 3 times the gains with that. But yeah, checking out, what are we looking at? Cosmos right now. On the 7th of January, this was $2.40. Right now it's only 40 cents. That's another 6x for you. But that's what I'm talking about, guys. I'm going to bounce out. I'm going to catch you later because I got to go skate. All right, guys. Have a good day. I'll be bringing more solid professional videos for you guys soon as well. This is just fun to do an on-the-go quick live stream. All right. Have a good Tuesday. Let's get a little pump in for Bitcoin. Yeah. All right. Peace.